Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my kitchen. In this episode, the guys at work wanted me to make an English episode. They wanted to learn how to make lamb kabsa. So we're gonna slow braise the lamb, make the rice aromatic with spices. So stay tuned and subscribe to this episode. Kabsa has originated in the Arabian peninsula as a festive food. The ingredients for this recipe are simple. We'll be using tomatoes, onions, ginger, garlic, bell peppers, and of course lamb. As for the spices, cinnamon stick, cardamom, cloves, peppercorns, fennel, and some cumin. And the most important ingredient is rice. So we'll be using 4 cups of basmati rice. You'll be washing them and soaking them in water for about an hour. First off, we'll be searing the lamb in the pressure cooker just to give it a nice sear. If you don't have a pressure cooker, you can use any type of pot. Just cook it for a longer time. For the sear, just give it a nice light sear. I've added 1 onion, 1 full bulb of garlic, as well as 2 inches of ginger. Then I've added the spices. There's actually no count for spices. You can add as much as you like, just be light on cloves. I've pureed about 4 tomatoes and I'll add them to the braising mix. 1 liter of water, then add salt just to adjust the seasoning. That's all for the braise mix for the lamb. We'll be closing it and cooking it for about an hour. Now to get the rice going. We will be starting off with 5 onions. We'll be caramelizing them without oil. We add water to deglaze the onions and cook them again dry. Again, we'll be adding more water and cooking them dry till they become a paste. We'll add bell peppers, and in some cultures they add chilies at this stage. After an hour, the lamb is ready, and we'll be taking the braising liquid and adding it to the onions. This will be the basis for the rice. Add salt to adjust seasoning. We'll add the rice to the liquid. Give it a quick mix. And add about an inch of water above the rice. Get it to a boil. Place the lid on the pot and lower the temperature to the lowest setting. In about 30 minutes, the rice will be ready. We'll be adding the lamb back to the pot and keeping it warm. Find the largest dish and serve. And finally, we'll just add some caramelized onion on top. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.